Welcome. So this is setup tutorial for Jarvis desktop, and with a few very simple steps it will be ready to use. So open this file first. It may take some time. It will ask you details. Fill them. Now here you have to submit a API key, and to get Gemini API key, press here. If you are not 18 plus, then use your parents' Google account for this. Press it. Select Gemini API. Now copy this back here. Paste your API key. Click submit, and now you have to enter your email. You will receive an email from us. Now enter the verification code. Click on verify. Click on OK. Now wait for a few seconds.
Very
Start
happy
with
holy sir. How can I help you today?
and to change your profile picture,
Please say again.
you have to select there and your profile picture. We'll make a shortcut of it. So you will be able to directly access from your home screen.